Somehow ancient Egypt is thought of as a kingdom of bondage. It would be better to say the kingdom of discipline, the kingdom of precision, the kingdom of culture, beauty, art. It would be better to say that because this is the proof of it. The stones speak. The stones are speaking through vibrations of beauty, vibrations of discipline, vibrations of precision. Yes, the stones speak to the people of planet Earth. If teenagers are lost, it is because they have been fed upon the word freedom, not discipline.
Well, Sunrise is a nice group that I live a few doors away from Sunrise. Is a nice group. The players who perform in Sunrise are nice men because I see them every day. And Sunrise music is good music.
And one of them own the store, and they be into like the space and things like that. And they are right people.
Come on, bubblegum.
Bubblegum.
What have the rest of these kids? The store right here was started because I felt that something needed to be done in the neighborhood for the ones who listen, the young ones who listen, and we believe in discipline. And I believe, children should be taught discipline from a young age. When they get older, it won't be no problem. I've been over here about a year and a half at the Pharaoh's Den. And another reason the store was started, I want to do something in the name of the ancient pharaohs. And very few people do things in the name of the ancient pharaohs. But now you see right over there, I got a sign, space is the place. So I try to teach the children about space, outer space, precision and discipline. And like on the outside of my sign, it said Pharaoh fed the nation of the world for 7 years. So I might be here 7 years maybe.
They said that the language of ancient Egypt is no longer spoken. But nature never loses anything. It is still spoken. I'm sitting in front of the White House, looking over across the street, but I don't see the Black House. That's where it ought to be, because you can't have a White House if you don't have a Black House. In fact, you can't have anything unless you have a comparison. You can't have a good government unless you got an evil government. You can't have righteousness unless you got the wicked with you. You can't have anything without this parallel and this opposite. This is something that the people of Earth are unaware of. You can't have a Justice Department that goes out looking for only criminals and never go out looking for people who are doing good. You can't have justice if you penalize people for doing wrong and don't do anything to help them when they're trying to do right.
Sunrise, could you tell us why you're here tonight?
Well, it's just like to play a requiem for Trevor Johnson, a former member of the band who left the planet about 3 weeks ago.
Does this have any special meaning for you?
The requiem? Well, it'd be the first time one was wrote for a poor, unfortunate man. Those of the reality have lost their way. Now they must listen to what myth has to say. Those of the reality have been bruised and beaten by the truth. Those of the reality have been slaves of a bad truth. So there's nothing left now but the myth. The myth is neither bad nor good. Its potentials are unlimited. Somewhere else on the other side of nowhere, there's another place in space, beyond what you know as time, where the gods of mythology dwell. Gods that are not real to you. Gods who have created the illusion that they do not exist to the people of planet Earth. These gods dwell in their mythocracy, opposed to your theocracy and your democracy and your monarchy. They dwell in their mythocracy, a magic world that makes things to be. These gods can even offer you immortality.